how to add second account in Telegram. So if you want to basically add second account in Telegram, all you have to do is open up the Telegram application. Here you can see I'm currently logged into one of my accounts, but if you also want to log into another account, what you basically have to do from here is just simply tap on the three lines option from the top left. Then over here you'll find this little drop down arrow. Tap on the drop down arrow. There you'll find the option called add account, so you can tap on add account. Now here all you have to do is to simply make sure to enter the new account that you want to log into. Then you can just hit the arrow button over there, and once done, second account on Telegram will be successfully added. And that's all it takes to add a second account in Telegram. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.